What's up, dear friends? So today I wanted to make a video for you. It's a quick one, I hope. It's to install the GTR start button on my 370Z that you see behind me. I've never done this before. I watched a couple of YouTube videos and I hope I'll make one that helps you install this button. Let's get to it. Alright, so from what I understand, you need the button, you need a tool to pry this piece, the original button, out, and you need like a flathead to disconnect the wires. So I found this button brand new on eBay. It was like 39 bucks. It's an original unused Nissan, and if you're looking for the actual serial number, here it is. I feel like the red's just gonna be so much cooler. I think the S2000s have a red button. It's like a deep cherry red, which is pretty dope. I want to use like a microfiber to put under the tool so I don't damage the interior part. It was a pain in the butt. I don't know why, but I got it out. Hell yeah. Okay, so what I would recommend, you actually need a very small tool that can get into a little crack and then press the buttons. There's a button at the 4 o'clock, which is this clip. So what your goal is to press this clip and it pops out. And then there's another one here at 11 o'clock. So 4 and 11, and when they click together, they pop out. So I feel like we're on the final stretch here. So if you turn this whole piece around, see this little piece right there, this little button? That's what we need to press, and it will release the button. And this is where we're able to just pull it off. So hard with the one hand, but there you go. So that comes off, this piece stays, and then you have the button. All right. So there is a small button at 3 o'clock and at 9 o'clock. You squeeze it together, and then you're supposed to be able to push the button out like this. Very impressed how I just did that with one hand. Anything for you guys. And here we have the new button, and we just place it back into the frame, press it in. It clicks. So here we are reconnected. It snapped right in, and here you can see what it looked like when it was connected. And again, guys, there's a clip on the 4 o'clock mark and 11 o'clock mark, and I recommend something thin but easy to get under, and definitely use those plastic tools. What I ended up doing is taking a little screwdriver, just taping it up in some duct tape and getting in there. Those plastic tools that I got, unfortunately, were too wide. So let's just push this right in. And that's it. That looks really cool. So, hope this helped. And hope you get it done too. It's a cool mod. I got it on eBay, brand new, like 39 bucks. Thanks for watching.